I'm trying to get your attention. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. That's German for hello, if you were wondering. So the last time you saw us, we were wandering the streets of Berlin. Unfortunately, my camera died, so I didn't get to keep recording. But we pretty much just had some dinner and then were super exhausted and went back to our Airbnb and went straight to bed. So the plan of attack... It's so hard being a vlogger. So the plan of attack for today is we're just gonna work as hard as possible until around 3 o'clock, and then we're going to watch soccer. You'll probably see us next at the gate. At the gate. And I've been watching vlogs a lot lately, so this is what professional vloggers do.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god!
We're at the soccer game and it was pretty cool. So I'll probably show you some shots of that now.
I was ready to blow me down.
How's it been? Berlin, day one.
Legitness! Legitness!
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could gain the ocean.
Look, I know what you're probably thinking. Ryan, why didn't you just edit it like normal? Why did it have to be 5 seconds? Well, it was the weekend, so I didn't really shoot a lot, so it's the best you're gonna get, you know? You know, beggars can't be choosers, alright? So let's just move on and go to Sunday. Don't do it. You just lost money, Ace. What are you doing? Hey guys, me again. Sorry to interrupt. Just wanted to give you a little bit of context as to what's going on here. So Anais decided to engage in some backstreet gambling with these guys who had a little ball and were like, you know that cup game where like the cups all move around and stuff, and then they're like, which cup's it under, and you choose. She was like, it's under that one, and it wasn't, and then they took 100 euros from her. So yeah. You just got so scammed.
Is that 100 euros?
First.
100.
What do you think, Paul?
I don't understand.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher.
Say something funny.